All right, here we go. We're going to try this new technique. I just learned it, so let's see if we can figure it out together. It's called Smart Object Animation. You're going to get this file. It's got a Mustang on it by itself. It's got a black background. We're going to start with this. Just like the other animation, you're going to go to Window. You're going to come down here to Timeline. It's right down in here. This one's going to be a little different. Instead of you're going to go Create Video Timeline. It's going to have all these purple bars. And it will have a layer over here for each of the layers you have. I have this other layer called ground. You can just leave it there. You can make whatever you want. So let's focus on our Mustang. Make sure it's highlighted over here. Then we're going to go over here and open up this little window or whatever. It's got position, it's got opacity, it's got style. Let's work on position first. We actually want to transform it, which means I want to make it bigger and smaller and spin it around. So we have to actually make it into a smart object, so this will change to transform. Watch over here. It's just got this Mustang inside. We go up to Layer, Smart Object, Convert to Smart Object. We learned about smart objects. There's a little icon to show you that it's a smart object. So now if we make it bigger or smaller, it'll just still be nice and clean. Alright, so here we go. Now if we open up this one again, it's got transform now instead of position. Okay, so we want to click this little icon. It looks like a clock. That's going to make a keyframe. You see that little yellow thing that showed up? That's called a keyframe. So right now that's going to record this position right in the middle. We're going to move this blue thing over. This is our timeline on top. Let's move it over to maybe 1 second. Okay, now we're going to do our friend Command T, free transform. You can just do it on your keyboard. This is the one we know that changes everything upside down, all this kind of stuff, rotate. So whatever you do in this, it'll remember. Watch. Let's make it really small. Let's rotate it a little. Let's move it over here. And then when you hit either this or return on your keyboard, click, you'll see a new keyframe showed up down there. Okay, so if I move, you click and drag this. Beautiful. It's going to change it for you. The last time we had to make all those new layers. Now it'll just change it for you. Okay. Now our horsey's there. Let's go out to this one. We'll hit Command T again. We'll make it spin all the way around over here. We'll make it really big. And we'll bring it up here into the sky. And then we'll hit check or return. And that's going to happen too. Whoa, it's so fun. So horsey runs, spins around like that. Okay. What do you have to remember? It's got to be a smart object to do the transform stuff. Then you can bring it out to another one. You hit Command T. You can bring horsey back upside down. Oh, let's see what happens if you do this. I'm going to rotate, but I want him to go the other way. Is it going to swivel it for us? We'll hit Enter. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it's like flippity floppity flippity floom. Kind of fun. Okay, so then when you go back here, if we play this, wow. Okay, interesting way. That's all I'm going to do right now. Transform. I'll show you opacity and style in the next one. Okay, yay.